Hi, this is Daniel Records from Daniel's LED Repair Service based in Los Angeles. In this video, we would like to show you a little bit of high-level repair instead of pixel repair. That is how we get a module with a bad IC chip fixed by circuit board diagnosis. The example we are taking today is AP2.9 Indoor LED Panel. We can easily notice that there is a green bar in this module, which is a commonly seen bad IC chip-related issue. We started the repair job after removing the plastic housing, and we replaced the IC chip related to red, but no luck. So we are going to conduct a circuit diagnosis. After comparing it with a good module, we found that the circuit had a disconnection. We used a tiny wire to make a jumper between these two pins and restored the connection. After the test, we assume that the repair job is completed. If you like our videos, please don't hesitate to click likes or share them with your friends, which could be helpful to them. We can be reached at 323-687-5550 or Daniel@danielsrepair.com. Thank you, and see you next time.